So, you've got a new project, a new channel, a new startup, maybe just a cool side hustle, and you need a face for it, you need a logo. For years, this meant one of two things: you spent a ton of money on a pro designer, or you spent hours, even days, wrestling with clunky software, trying to avoid that made in Microsoft Paint look. It was a bottleneck, a serious one. That initial visual identity is crucial. It's the first thing people see, the symbol they'll remember. It sets the tone for everything that comes after. It's your digital handshake. You want it to be a firm one. But here we are, in 2025, the game has changed. The barrier to entry for clean, professional design has been obliterated. The culprit, or hero, is AI. Artificial intelligence isn't just for writing emails, making chatbots anymore. It's a powerful creative tool. What used to take days of back and forth with a designer now takes the time to brew a cup of coffee. From a blank slate to a downloadable high-res logo in about 2 minutes. Sounds like science fiction? It's the reality. And it's empowering creators everywhere. The magic is generative AI. Trained on millions of images. Trained on logos, trained on fonts, trained on color palettes. They understand principles of good design, balance, contrast, visual hierarchy. On a mathematical level, give them a few simple prompts. They don't just slap things together. They use that knowledge to generate dozens, sometimes hundreds of well-designed options. This isn't about replacing designers for high-end projects, it's about democratizing good design for everyone else. For the YouTuber starting out, for the small business owner, for the student with a brilliant app idea. In this walkthrough, I'll show how simple it is. We'll go from zero to a finished, professional-looking logo. And we'll do it fast. No design degree required, no expensive software needed. All you need is an idea, a couple of minutes. This tech leap feels small at first. The implications are huge. It removes a major hurdle for anyone building something new. So, let's get into it and build a logo. Alright, first things first. Before you can start creating, you need to choose your tool. The AI logo maker space has exploded. There are a lot of options out there. Each has its own little quirks and strengths. Think of this like picking a new phone. Core functionality is similar, but user experience, features, and pricing can differ. Look at Midjourney. If you're feeling adventurous with text prompts, Microsoft Designer, we'll focus on the workflow most of these platforms share. Find a tool that balances ease of use with creative control. Some platforms are incredibly simple. Type your company name. Boom! 50 logos. Others give you more granular control. Icons. Color styles. For beginners, start with guided step-by-step tools. They hold your hand without feeling limiting. Most offer a free try before you buy. Generate as many logos as you want and only pay when you download. When browsing, look at the example logos on their homepage. Do they look clean, modern, fit your aesthetic? Also, check what you get with your download. A good AI logo maker won't just give you a single JPG file. Look for a package with high-resolution files, PNG with transparent background, SVG files, EPS files, vector files scale without losing quality. Tiny favicon massive billboard, that's pro-level stuff in minutes. Take a minute to browse, don't overthink it. Pick one that looks intuitive and inviting. Look at Canva AI Logo Maker clean interface, foolproof process. Land on a site that feels right, then tell the AI what you want. You've made your choice, and the clock is officially starting. Now that you've picked your AI tool, it's time to give it some instructions. This is the most critical part of the process, but it's also the simplest. The first thing any AI logo maker will ask for is your company or brand name. Now, the AI takes all of that information and gets to work. You're about to see the real power of this technology as it starts to generate dozens of unique design concepts based on just those few simple inputs. It's time to hit that generate button. You click the download button, and after a quick payment process, the AI platform will package up all your logo files into a neat little zip folder. This is the moment of payoff. A professional logo package should contain everything you need to deploy your brand across the digital and physical world. Update your social media profiles, add it to your website header. You didn't just create an image file, you created a symbol for your idea. The ease and speed of AI logo creation mean there's no excuse to have a placeholder or a subpar logo anymore. So go experiment, create something awesome, and start building your brand today. The tools are there, they're easier than ever to use, and they're waiting for you.